Hello students, welcome back. In this video it's going to be a short video. I'm talking about this pages group option. The first option in this is a cover page. This is important but very simple. If you want to have a cover page in your document, you need to click over here. There are templates, plenty of templates. Whichever template you like to have, you can click on that, like I have clicked on this. And after that you can modify the details, like you have clicked over here, you have changed the date, here the title you can give, and if you want to give any other detail or subtitle you can give. Now the cover page, the good thing about the cover page is it doesn't falls under like the page number. If you have given a page number in your document, the cover page will not be considered into that. Means the page number will start from the next to the cover page onwards. However, if you want to remove the cover page, you need to go here and click on remove current cover page. It is very important to do this from here. Don't delete the cover page content by yourself and try to delete that. It will happen, but then this particular first page will be considered as a cover page. So what is the disadvantage of this? Because when you are going to give a page number to this, you will get to see that here the page number has not been given. Also, when you are going to give a header and footer, it will not be given into the cover page. Now let's come to the blank page option. Not so much useful. Let's say I've created a new document altogether, going for insert, and there is one particular page is available. Without typing anything, I want to create another blank page. Simply I can click on this blank page, so another page has been created. So that's the advantage. Now page break. Page break is, let's say in the first page I want the print to happen up till this content only, up till the here communities. So my cursor is over here, I'm clicking on page break, and the page break has been created. There's no other content in the communities now. The remaining content will start from the next page onwards. So this is how page break works. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.